Good morning, students. Today we are starting with our next question, question number 9. Before that, we will study about this term, that is principal, rate, time, simple interest, amount. So, suppose you have a money. Suppose you have 100 rupees. So that money is your principal. It is generated by capital P. Suppose you have 100 rupees. You will deposit this money in a bank. So the bank will say that uh, you will deposit this money for 2 years. So that is your time. So bank will say that bank will give interest of 10% per year. So here the rate given by bank is 10%. Your money is increased by 10%. So what is your interest after 2 year? So in order to calculate the interest after 2 year, there is a formula: simple interest is equals to P into R into T upon 100. So what is the interest on this money? 100 rupees. So it is 100, P is 100, R is 10, time is 2 year, divide by 100. 100 will cancel and simple interest will become 20. So that is the extra amount of rupees you have after 2 years. So first you have 100 rupees, now you have 20 rupees extra. So what is amount? Amount is the total amount of money. Amount is your simple interest plus principal. So simple interest is your 20 rupees, principal is your 100 rupees. So the total amount of money is your amount. Amount is generated by this capital A. So at starting you have 100 rupees, but at the end of 2 years you have 120 rupees. So 20 rupees is your simple interest. Next we will able to do these questions. So in first question, the value of principal is given, that is 1200. Rate is given, that is 12% per annum. So we will calculate this. So principal is given 1250 and 1200, sorry. So it is 1200. Rate is given, that is 12%. So at the end of 3 year, time is also given, that is time is 3 year. So you have to calculate the value of amount. You have to calculate the value of amount. Amount you have to calculate. So we know that the formula for simple interest is P into R into T upon 100. So this is the formula. So first of all you will calculate the simple interest. So principal is your 1200, rate is your 12%, time is your 3 year, divide by 100. These zeros will cancel. The value of simple interest will become, so 12 into 12 is 144 into 3. So simple interest will become 4 3 that 12, 4 3 are 12, 13, 4 3 1 are 3, 432 rupees. So in order to calculate amount, amount is the total money you have after 3 year. So it is simple interest plus your principal. Simple interest is 432 and your principal is 1200. So you will obtain 1632 rupees after 3 year. If you deposit 1200 rupees in the bank, you will obtain 1632 rupees after 3 years. So you will obtain 1632 rupees after 3 year. Next part is your principal is 7500, rate percent is 5%. So we will calculate principal is 7500, rate percent is your 5%, time is your 3 year, and we will calculate the value of the amount A. So first of all, the simple interest formula is P into R into T upon 100. P is your principal, R is your rate, T is your time. So 7500 into 5 into 3 divided by 100. These zeros will cancel. So you will multiply this 75 with this 15. On multiplying, you will obtain the value of simple interest to be 1125. So 1125. So this is your simple interest, but you have to calculate the value of amount. So amount is your simple interest plus your principal. Simple interest is 1125 plus principal is your 7500. So on adding you will obtain the value of 8625 rupees. So that is your total amount. 8625 rupees is your total amount. Next part we will do